Now let's take a look at something new. So far, all the time we've used a time signature of 4/4. Remember, the top number tells you that there are 4 beats per measure. And now we have a new time signature called 3/4. And the way to tell how many beats per measure is to look at the top number of the time signature. This one happens to be a 3. The 4 stands for a quarter note gets 1 count, and we have already learned that. We have 3 quarter notes in this measure, so 1, 2, 3. So now look, here's 3/4 time signature. Notice where the bar line is, the measure line. It's right here. So we only have 3 beats in this first measure, 1, 2, 3. And then we have a new measure, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now we have a new note that we've never really used before. It's a dotted half note. And notice here it's like a half note. See the half note. We have a dot after the note. The dot has a rule. It stands for this. It means add to the note half of what it's worth. Okay, let me say that again. We're going to add to the note that's written half of what it's worth. So let's take a look at what a dot means after the half note. Let's say we have a half note with a dot. So what we have is a half note equals 2 counts. Then we're going to add to that half note half of what it's worth. Well, we know that 2 quarter notes fit into a half note. So half of a half note is a quarter note. So it's like 2 counts plus 1 count, and the total is 3 beats total. And that's why we get these 3 counts here with a dotted half note. As well as right here, we have 3 counts with a dotted half note. Okay, so these are all G's. So why don't you grab your guitar, and I'm going to play along, and you play along with me, and we're going to play this piece together. So just on an open G string. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, play. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, off. Now what you don't want to do is this. I see some people doing this sometimes. They'll put an imaginary beat after 3. They'll go like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. And so they're taking a breath, but when they're taking a breath, that's actually a beat 4. It's actually an extra beat. You have to go right directly from beat 3 into beat 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and so on and so on. Okay? Take a look at number 27. 27 has 3/4 timing, and in the next video we're going to go through that and how to play that. Keep working hard. Go through this video again if you need help and understanding, and we'll see you in the next video.